There. Well, good Monday morning. Man, I don't know about y'all, but man, it's tough. Come on, struggle bus again today. Trying to get out of bed on these time changes. Woo. Maybe we'll get to it by the end of the week, but yeah, it's a slow go for a lot of us today. The kids are real fun to get out of bed this morning, aren't they? Well, thankfully this week we do have some sunshine. We do have some rain chances too, though. There's two chances of rain I'm watching. One Tuesday night, one Thursday. What's interesting is next weekend, although it may be clear, there may be another surge of cold air. We may actually get another freeze next weekend. Now we just had one. I guess it would have been Saturday night into Sunday morning. We may end up with another freeze by next Sunday. So that's something to watch as we head out there. So what's happening now? It's dark. Everybody's heading out to work. It's dark in the morning. But at least by the evening, we'll have some more sunshine since we messed with the clocks and moved everything forward again. That's a live look out towards Johnson Mills. Some traffic this morning. The sun yet to break through the skies. It will shortly, as temperatures expected to warm up today into the 70s. Should be a pretty nice afternoon with some south winds. Humidity is pretty low. We actually have a system that's moving through today that just there's nothing to work with as it moves through the area. Big picture. So here's what it looks like. You've got the area of high pressure finally scooting east. This was overhead yesterday, and when it was overhead, we had all the clear skies. This is a clockwise flow, so you're getting a return flow now of some moisture that's coming up here on the west side of the ridge of high pressure. So that moisture will increase, and as it does, we'll see a small increase in clouds, but really there's not a lot going on. I'll back all the way out here. You've got a system in the northeast, you got this little one down to the south, and then you have another one on the west coast. So overall, it's going to be a pretty sunny day for us. I'll show you the models. Actually, let's just go ahead and head to the fronts first and see what this looks like as we head into the next few days. So what I'm looking at now, let me get this to where you can see Arkansas a little better here. There's our high pressure sliding out across Mississippi, and then going throughout the day, the southwest winds pick up on the west side of that high, so things start getting a little bit windier, not terribly windy though. West southwest winds continue heading into the evening, and that's going to bring back the moisture. Notice now the high is out across parts of the panhandle of Florida. That low pressure is starting to tighten up there in West Kansas. That's going to increase the south winds too. And let's move into Tuesday morning. Tuesday morning, you can see that low to the west. You still have southwest winds with those isobars start to get a little more squeezed as they move in. And then this is Tuesday evening. So we should get some scattered showers, maybe even some thunderstorms on Tuesday evening. It looks like it's trending more towards southwest Missouri, southeast Kansas, Benton, Washington County. This is coming up on, where are we at here? We're at Wednesday at 12 in the morning, or sorry, at 12 CC. I'm out of it too. 7 a.m. on Wednesday. I can't even get my Zulu time right. And then as we head into Thursday, more showers and storms. Thursday, this is the day I think we need to watch for strong to severe storms as that front moves through. It's a pretty big high behind it. This is Friday morning. Things start to clear out. Saturday, the highs overhead. Look at that front though. See that front just to our north. Let me see if I can show you a little better. That one right there, that's going to drop some cooler air in by the weekend, so that by the time Sunday rolls around, it comes blasting through, and that's going to drop our temperatures back down. So it actually looks below normal for us heading into the below normal as we move into the afternoon after what's been a really sunny last couple of days, sunny, warm. We've been this up and down pattern, which is pretty typical of spring, but I do think we'll get a little bit more in the way of rainfall later on this week. I want to take you to the model data now. Let's just look at the grids and see what's happening here for the next week or so. We had all that sunshine yesterday. It was a super sunny Sunday. Loved it, loved it, loved it. So here's what's going on now. Let's take us to today. So here's today, Monday. There's that high again in the southeast. Let's see what happens on Tuesday night. That's what I'm curious about. On Tuesday, that low starts to move in. Tuesday evening is right here. You do have some scattered showers that bust out across northeast Oklahoma. We're talking out towards Grove, maybe Bella Vista and Pea Ridge, and McDonald County in southwest Missouri on Tuesday evening. And then when you cruise into Wednesday morning here, you still have some spotty areas of rain as that low tightens up. Right here is where I think we'll see the stronger storms when the trough moves through. That is Thursday. See right there? Scattered showers and storms. Some of those will be strong to severe. That's Thursday night. Right now, it's trending overnight-ish. This is 7 in the evening. Some of those storms are out there at 7. And then as we go into midnight, we're looking at more widespread rain. This is going to be heavy rain for us, too, on Thursday. Thursday is really the day to watch for rainfall, and then everything should move on out by the time Friday gets here. And then we get that secondary surge of cold air. In fact, watch the low. You can see it up here at the top of the screen. Watch this. This low. Ooh, man, I think they're miles in. That's going to lead to some below normal temperatures. Matter of fact, you can see some snow actually falling here across parts of Kentucky and Tennessee. This is heading into Monday of next week, about a week out, and that is kind of weather voodoo land when you're out there that far. So there's a lot that could change and a lot that could happen between now And then, so bottom line, great Monday. We're looking at rain chances this week. Chances of rain highest northeast Oklahoma, Benton County on Tuesday night. Widespread rain chances for everyone as we head into Thursday later in the week. Next weekend, it's going to be cold again. If you put some plants in the ground, get ready to cover them up. I'm thinking it might be somewhere around Sunday, Monday. We could end up with another freeze. Have a great work week. Hope you're able to get around a little better than I am this morning with that time change.